Need to fix auto-refreshing on X? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily stop the auto-refreshing. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Inside the settings, head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this space, search for the application X and move into it. Click on Offload app and once again tap on Offload app. Now once again go back to General. Scroll down and move into Background App Refresh. In this space, make sure to turn off Twitter. Once you have turned off the Background App Refresh, now head over to the application X. Close the application and then reopen it. Well, if you're still having the issue, then you can simply uninstall the application and reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the application has also fixed the issue. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.